Guys, today again I am having a very interesting and useful test for you guys, which is known as liquid limit test. Okay, with the help of this test, we can find liquid limit of any finite missile, and which gives us information indirectly about the consistency of soil. The ASTM code of this experiment is ASTM D4318. This test is used for the soil passed from SU number 40. Now what is liquid limit of soil? Liquid limit of soil is that amount of moisture content at which the soil changes its state from plastic to liquid state. Or liquid limit is that amount of moisture at which the soil begins to behave like a liquid material. Our liquid limit of soil is that amount of moisture content at which the shearing strength of the soil is approximately 2.5 kilonewton per meter square. Now what is the lab definition of our liquid limit of soil? In lab, liquid limit is defined as the moisture content in percentage required to close a 2 millimeter wide groove in a soil paste for a linear distance of half inch along the bottom of the groove after 25 blows.
Now let us discuss the equipment that will be used in this test. Second liquid limit device. It consists of this brass cup, this crank, a mechanical counter which records the number of revolutions of the crank, and this hard plastic base, and different knobs for adjusting the brass cup and resetting the mechanical counter. A grooving tool for making a groove in the soil paste, the liquid limit of which is required to be determined. Now this groove cuts a 2 millimeter wide groove at the bottom and 8 millimeter wide groove at the top and 10 millimeter deep groove. The other end of this grooving tool is used for calibration. This black portion is used for calibration. The thickness or height of this block is 10 millimeter. A balance for recording different weights. SU number 40 for taking the representative soil sample. Different moisture cans for taking the moisture content determination. Evaporating dish for mixing soil and water. Oven for drying purposes.
Let us start the experiment. Before starting the experiment, we will do the calibration of this liquid limit device with the help of this grooving tool. In calibration, we will make sure that this brass cup will have an upward movement of 10 millimeter, not more than 10 millimeter and not less than 10 millimeter. If it will be more than 10 millimeter, then it will cause an early closure of groove, and if it will be less than 10 millimeter, then it will cause a delayed closure of a groove. So what I will do, I will put this grooving tool, the thickness of which is 10 millimeter, beneath the brass cup, and I will tighten all the screws, okay, so that this brass cup will be having only 10 millimeter upward movement. So now I have set this is equal to 10 millimeter. This is known as calibration of the Casagrande liquid limit device. After calibration, I will take the oven dried soil sample and will try to pass it from SU number 40. Anything retained on SU number 40 will be discarded, and anything passed from SU number 40 will be used in the test. Now about 150 gram of the SU number 4 passed material will be taken for the test. gram of the material is ready. I will try to mix this material in an evaporating dish. Now I will add water to the soil sample in such a manner that the glue will be closed in different trials. Like in first trial, it should close by having 10 to 20 blows. In second trial, it should close by having 20 to 30 blows, and in third trial, it should close by having 35 to 45 blows. The moisture content for each number of blows will be determined, and a flow curve will be plotted
in such a manner that number of drops will be on x-axis and the corresponding moisture content will be on y-axis. Then the moisture content corresponding to 25 drops or blows will be regarded as the liquid limit of the soil sample.
So now let us mix water. Now a uniform soil paste has been achieved. Now I will put this soil paste inside the brass cup.
Now you can see the soil sample has been transferred inside the brass cup of the Casagrande liquid limit device. Now it should be filled in such a manner that there should be no air pockets inside the soil paste. It should be uniform, having a thickness of 10 millimeter at the center of the cup. Now I will cut a groove of standard dimension with the help of this grooving tool. Now you can see a groove has been cut inside the soil paste. Now I will rotate the crank of the Casagrande liquid limit device in such a manner that 2 revolutions will be completed in 1 second. 1. Now guys, you can see a linear half-inch closure at the center of the paste. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take a representative soil sample from the locations where this groove has been closed and will count the number of blows.
Now the previously mixed soil will be mixed with different amount of water, and the same test will be repeated. Soil samples for water content determination and number of blows data will be recorded, and flow curve will be plotted, and the moisture content corresponding to 24 blows will be regarded as the liquid limit of soil. Guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Kindly like and share the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you so much.